Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set your phone ringtone in your Tecno phone device. Guys, you want to set your phone ringtone in your Tecno phone, so guys you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set phone ringtone in our Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So then first of all, open your phone setting to set your phone ringtone. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your sound and vibration setting. So guys tap here. Again scroll guys, click on phone ringtone 1 and guys phone ringtone 2 guys you want to set. So guys you can set both of. So first guys choose any ringtone guys which you like digital, crystal, live, legal. So we will click on guys this jet set. So guys tap here and guys okay. So guys this phone ringtone will set in your Tecno phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set phone ringtone in a Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.